In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the game as a mod on Twitch. So first of all, what you want to do, you want to go to this website called streamelements.com. Now you want to sign in on the right here with your Twitch account. And then once you've done that, you want to come over to your dashboard and you want to go down to chatbot and then chat commands. Now from here, make sure you're selecting the default commands and scroll all the way to the bottom and you'll see somewhere around here, there we go, set game. Make sure that this is turned on. Now down here we can change the user level. So what level do you want to be able to do this? Subscriber, everyone, regular, VIP. In this case probably mod, so you can change it to mod. Then you can hit save. You can also change a few more settings in there if you want to. Now what you want to do is go back over to Twitch, go to your channel like this, and then go here to your chat. Now from here you want to do /mod and type in stream elements like this. Hit enter and it's going to mod the stream elements here like this. Now once you've done that, you can go across here, you can find the command that it was, so it was, it's going to be up here now, set game. You can do that in here, and then you can set it to what you want, and that's how you do it. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.